Hello and welcome to this birthday song lesson. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to sing the happy birthday song in Afrikaans. There will be no revision for this lesson. The words you need to memorize for this lesson are as follows. Gelukkige, gelukkige, gelukkige. Happy. Verjaarsdag, verjaarsdag, verjaarsdag. Birthday. Maatjie, maatjie, maatjie. Friend. Seun, seun, seun. Bless. And now we will have a look at the happy birthday song in Afrikaans. Veels geluk, lieve maatjie, omdat jy verjaar. Mag die Here jou seën en nog baie jare spaar. You can also replace the maatjie with a friend's name, for example, Emily, and then you can sing Veels geluk, lieve Emily, omdat jy verjaar. Mag die Here jou seën en nog baie jare spaar. And a direct translation from Afrikaans to English would be, congratulations dear friend, because it's your birthday. May the Lord bless you and spare you many more years. That's a short and sweet lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.